With the centre line drawn on these plates, I used the actual studs for reference and marked up where I need to drill these replacement front feet for the roll cage. I started the drilling with a 4.5mm bit. I find the small one helps to get the centre easier. I'll shift the plate in the vise and drill the second hole the same size. Then step up and using around a 7.5mm one this time. Going up in stages, minding my equipment. In the last stage then I'll drill it large enough for the M10 bolt. Same procedure for the two plates for the back stays, but I'll have to take some measurements to do the plates for the main hoop. The holes in these are so worn I'll have to take an average of them all, but I'm basically just taking the distance to the centre of the holes from the front, back and sides. I'm using a scribe to mark these because I need to get the centres very accurate so that the bolts all look evenly spaced. Using my square edge to keep things all in order. I think that line needed to be 18mm in from the side, and then from each end then it was 1.5mm. I stacked the two plates on top of each other because I want these to be identical. I'm taking real care to line this up right because the bolts are going to be so close together you'll notice easily any discrepancies. I'll drill in the same stages as I did with the front and back feet. So that's a 4.5mm drill bit, which will have no problem going through the two plates. Then 7.5mm. I use the halves because I'm only going in stages. I'll save the even numbered drill bits for when I need exact sized holes. And that's the final stage complete. 5 holes through the two plates each. I'll put them into their positions. The front ones just drop down over the studs. I'll use 3 bolts to locate the mid ones. And then the 2 through on the wheel arches. The next job I'll have to do is very carefully cut off the old legs from the cage and then fit them into place on top of these. And I'd better bring my A game to weld them. I need to do a little bit of grinding on the welds between those already fitted rear plates and the quarter panel so that these plates can sit flat.